Yo, what's good everybody? Maxi here, and today I'll be teaching you how to get your own free intro for your YouTube videos. Let's get into it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your browser and search up Panzoid. Here you will find loads of intro templates and even outro templates. So just find the one that you like, or the one that piques your interest, and then click on it. As you can see, there are outros as well, and there's green screen icons as well, so you can remove the green when you're putting it into your video. You can remove the green screen and put this icon. But in today's video I'll be showing how to get an intro, so let's do an intro. Let's try this one. Okay, once you've chosen the one that you like, you go and click on open clip. Here you will see loads of suggested intros and outros, but if it's this one that you want, then you have to go open in Clipmaker so you can edit it and put your own name in it. This is the 3D edited preview, and you can't really see it if you play it, but if you click on the eye icon, then you can click on play, and then you can see it. If you like it and you want to choose this one, so then you can go on to this cube icon. You need to find text, and then whatever the text is, the group is where the text will be. So inside the group name, the text is fusion. You can click on that and then delete this and write whatever your name is, or wherever you want to write. So in my case it will be Maxi, and then press enter. Since it has two layers, we have to change both of them. So let me change this one as well, and then boom, now your name is here. Now the music, there is always a default music. In this case it's this music, but if you want to change it, then you can go to YouTube, find any music you want, click on that video, then go to the URL, go before the dot after the E in YouTube and write PP and enter. It will take you to a website where you can download this song. We have to do it into an MP3 file, or an audio file, which is basically the same thing, and download it. Okay, after you've downloaded the music, you can go back to your Clipmaker and then go to this music icon. Then from here you'll go to select, go to files, go to downloads, and find the thing you downloaded. After finding that, you have to double click on it, and that file will be selected, and now you have your music as well. This is just for example, but you can find a good music, a good soundtrack, or good music that matches your intro. After you're done with everything, you have to go to this download icon, and then I recommend do good quality and do MKV, and then start a video render. After it's rendered here, it will download. You can click on download and download for you. I'm gonna cut back to when it's downloaded, and I'll show you. Okay, now the video is downloaded. It's rendered. Now you'll click on download, and it's downloaded now. And now you'll go to your files, then downloads, and then you'll find your video, whatever you named it, or the default name video 2, and here it is. And there you have it, guys, your very own intro for free. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments down below if you want any specific tutorial or any video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. See you in the next video. Bye.